In this video I will talk about 3 crypto AI coins that are still cheap right now and have a massive potential. If we have a look at the biggest coins in the AI niche, you can see that Near Protocol is the first with a market cap of $6 billion. Most of the AI coins are already pumping to the upside, but I think that AI coins will explode this bull run and see even higher prices. And if you want to find the best AI crypto coins that have a lot of potential, we have to find coins with a lower market cap and an even higher potential to the upside. And the first coin on my list is Signally. Signally is on place 353 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $130 million. Signally is a copy trading platform which uses AI to pick the best top traders. And from day to day, more people are using this platform, and I see a lot of potential in this platform. And if we have a look at the chart, you can see that Signally was already published in 2021, and that we saw after this massive highs, this bearish move to the downside, we saw this longer consolidation in this region down here. And since the beginning of this AI hype, we saw this massive price increase. From the bottom to the top, we saw a move about 6,700%, which is really crazy. But if we then have a look at the market cap, you can see that the market cap back then was very low, and that we saw a market cap all-time high in the last weeks. So of course there will be some psychological rejection right here in this zone. But I think that this potential resistance is not very important for Signally, because as you can see, we are on a clear bullish trend on the weekly time frame, and we are right now retesting this demand zone. Because from this zone we saw this move into this highs right here. Then we saw this longer consolidation. We built liquidity over this highs and under this lows. Then we came back into this demand zone. We saw this little wicks right here, but we didn't saw a lower low. And right now we are seeing this bullish push to the upside. And I think the chances is high that you could see even higher prices just from this price area. So I think it's a very nice opportunity for a potential long trade. And for the long term, I'm very bullish on Signally. Because as I said, we just have a market cap of $130 million. And if Signally would reach a potential market cap of $10 billion, we would then have nearly a 100x potential. And I think this potential is realistic for this bull run. Because as I said, I think the AI niche is a very promising niche in the crypto industry. And as I said, also on the short term, I think the chances are high that you could see even higher prices in the near future. The next coin on my AI list is ChainGPT. ChainGPT is on place 414 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $100 million. The coin is existent since 2023, and we saw the latest all-time high in 2024. And I think it's a very promising AI coin with a lot of potential. And if you want to buy ChainGPT, you can do this on BingX. And if you're using my link, you get up to $5,150 bonus. You will find the link for BingX in the description. And if we have a look at the chart, you can see that we are clearly in a bullish structure on the weekly time frame. And after we build this high, we are seeing this massive rejection to the downside. And if we are using the Fibonacci tool, you can see that we are right now seeing a rejection at the 0.786 Fibonacci. And we are right now at this 3 daily order block. And I think right now the chances are high that we could see even higher prices, especially if Bitcoin is making new all-time highs. So I think it's a quite good opportunity to get into a potential long trade on ChainGPT. But if we see a move to even lower prices, then I think this kind of demand zone or this order block is a great opportunity to get into a trade. Because if we see a move to lower levels but see a bullish reaction right here over this last high, because if we see a move into this zone and see a bullish reaction on the smaller time frame, and if we are not breaking this low right here, then I think the chance is also high that we could see a bullish bounce from this zone. So on the long term, I'm very bullish on ChainGPT. Because as you can see again, the market cap is also 100 million, so we have a lot of potential to the upside. A 100x is possible. And as you can see, we are right now at this retracement, and we can use this lower prices to get into a potential trade. And as I said, I think the chance is also right now here that we could see a bullish explosion just from these prices. The last AI coin in this list is OXO. And this coin is on place 241 of all cryptocurrencies with a market cap of $240 million. And as you can see, we saw this massive price increase in this last time. I think it's one of the more hyped AI projects, especially on crypto Twitter. And as you can see, we saw this latest bullish explosion to the upside. And then we saw this rejection to the downside again. If you're using the Fibonacci tool, you can also see that we perfectly reacted at the 0.618 Fibonacci, and the chance that we could see a bullish turnaround is here. And if we are going on a daily time frame, you can see that we have this consolidation right here. And if we now see a bullish move to higher prices, and if we are breaking this last highs, then the chance for a bullish explosion is there. And also if we have a look at the market cap, you can see that we have a lot of potential to the upside. I think this project is an easy 20 to 50x for this bull run. And we are definitely seeing this bullish interest. Just if we are seeing lower prices again and break this last low to the downside, then I think the chances are high that we could see even lower prices. But if we see the retracement and then see the bullish reaction just over this lows, then I think the chances are high that we could see the bullish continuation to the upside. And if you want to get daily updates on a crypto market or altcoins like OXO or the other altcoins, then join my free Telegram group. You'll find the link in the description. So again, guys, I think that the AI niche has a very high potential in this crypto industry for this bull run. But if we have a look at the top coins, you can see that we already have a high market cap. And I think it's very important if you want a 100x coin that you are searching for a lower market cap. But of course, these AI projects will also perform in the bull run or have a high chance to perform at the bull run and see even higher prices and higher market caps. Especially if we have a look at the total crypto market cap 3. So this is the total crypto market cap excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. You can see that we saw a massive price increase and now this correction. But I think we didn't even started this altcoin season. So if this chart is running to the upside, the chance that altcoins will explode is really high. And especially with the halving and if Bitcoin is going to the upside, then I think the chance is high that the altcoins will also explode to the upside a bit later. So guys, thank you really much for watching. I wish you great profits at trading and see you in the next one.